In the first attempt, I got a 310. On an absolute term, it was a decent score, but I wasn't really happy with it. I was looking forward to a 320 and up minimum. And so I waited before I got enough time to prepare. And then I decided to take a second chance at it. Second time, I'm really happy with my performance. I scored a 333. So I scored a 168 in quant and a 165 in my verbal. So I was really excited. There is complete targeted targeted attention that you're getting through this program, and that really got my attention. It's the fact that I can just log on a page and I can see where I stand and where I have to go and what it takes to reach where I want to is immense clarity. So before I enrolled for the program, I spoke to a representative from GREH, and my only concern was whether I can prepare in 3 hours for 30 days, 3 hours per day for 30 days, because I don't have more time than that. And she said, yes, I will be able to, because otherwise you spend an hour and a half in only planning, and all that will go away from here because I'll be able to target all my study time to focused preparation. And that really helped me in preparing every minute very consciously, and it saved me a lot of time. When my SFA told me that I can achieve my target, I took the first full length test. I didn't do well. So I put my target as 165 to 170. And in my first full length test, it was her prediction was 155 to 160. I was really upset. And in my second, and when I saw my mistakes, it was all silly mistakes, and even she told me the same problem, spending time on unnecessary questions. And the second time when I took it, she actually put my target score as 165 to 170, and that I can achieve it. That was my favorite moment. And when I analyzed that with the GMC, and when I analyzed that with the sort of mistakes I made, the strategies that I used, it was in complete coherence with what she had advised, the weak areas that I had worked on, and the things that I had kept in mind while taking the test. So I think all in all, when you follow feedback, you do well.